Hello guys, my name is Jawadar and I'm here from JHam Gaming, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete your playlists. I know a lot of new guys on YouTube that have just started their channels don't know how to do this, and they may have accidentally created one or two playlists they do not want to be showcased on their channel. First of all, what you have to do is go to your channel home page. Alright, so then you have to click this Creator Studio, and not the Beta Studio. The Beta Creator Studio is something else. It's a whole other affair. Then what you're going to be redirected to is this Creator Studio page. Now what you have to do is click Video Manager, and under Video Manager you have to click Playlists. When you click Playlists, here all of the playlists you ever made will be showcased. And by the way, check out these other playlists of Vanished or PCPW or Agar gameplays. They are epic. And back to the topic, then you have to click the edit button on the playlist you want to delete. For me, I want to delete this remix section playlist, and then I will click edit. And then you have to click edit for the second time in front of your channel name. And then when you get redirected to this page, you have to click these three dots. If you I bring my mouse over it, a sign more comes over it. Then you get the option to delete the playlist. What you have to do is click and confirm. Working. It's going to take some time, and voila, remix section has been deleted. And by the way guys, if you want to learn how to delete playlists from your mobile or your tablets, whatever you use, your handheld devices, leave a message in the comment section below, even one message, and I will teach you guys. I will show you how to delete playlists from your handheld devices. So without further ado, have a good day, good night, wherever you are, and peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.